You need to sit down here.
So whoever is ready, you can share your screen, okay?
Madam, please, when we try to talk, there is a program ongoing here. So if we try to talk, there are going to be distraction to the class. So if maybe you did not hear us, it's not us, we don't want to talk or something like that. Else it is going to distract the class.
What was I supposed to say? Oh, like how I got here? I supposed to change the search bar. I typed teachable machines into the search bar. Then it came this came up. I pressed get started. I'm not sure if I have the saved, but Scratch. Okay. Oh, a new one? Okay. That one make a new one. Or then I do this. Then I press open. It puts everything into there for me. It actually got a burst, so let me label it. That's the thing they had to for that here it burns. Oh. And this is how I did it. First tray model. It trays to prepare the data. Oh, the camera. File. I'll just do one per. Give me a sec. Press roll up. Okay. Oh, that's Nigeria. %. I thought it bird.
Next.
Thank you.
Next.
Okay. All right, David. David's got to be the head of the class. Did everybody see what happened with David? All right, can we have someone else to demonstrate from Ghana?
So, as you can see here, I took the project to my own hands and I made it from Nigerian birds, right pictured here. I have 33 samples, and Ghanaian birds, which I have here, 15 samples. I've trained them with my own exact measurements, which I won't share with you guys because I don't want you guys to steal my stuff. And here's my
You're an
product.
overachiever.
Let me turn on my cam. Yes, or what?
Ben,
Piracy is
Yolanda,
a real issue. As you can see, I'm mostly a Nigerian bird. However, Ethan is mostly Nigerian bird. And if you look at this cup that I have here, it's also mostly Nigerian bird. And the craziest one yet, if I pull up a picture of EBI, which consists of many Ghanaian members, it is also a Nigerian bird. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk.
Okay, that that was funny. All right, first of all, we are not all Nigerian birds, so thank you very much. But that was good. That was good use of a model. So I guess once we advance, you're gonna be teaching that class for the advanced class. All right, thank you.
Yeah, anytime.
Do we want to have a Ghanaian presentation, or we want to move to the algorithm, so that we can also pick our website name and start building our website and do all the fun stuff.
Sir, are you asking me?
No, I was asking the class. Is anyone in Ghana? Oh, we don't have anyone in Ghana yet, right? Oh, sorry. Okay. All right.
I'm gonna Kent. Oh, they hanged out. Wow.
Yeah. Let's move on. Let's do the Scratch algorithm. Let me share my screen. Okay. All right. So once we have our oh, I don't have my model anymore. Okay. I'm sorry. That I had. Oh.
Mr. B. So it looked like the scratch, right? If we can
Uh-huh.
the scratch, the people that we taught the last time, it looked like most of them are not here. So
This is bad.
we have to do a little revision or something on that, or they're going to get so confused.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, they will get so confused.
Especially the Agona people. So show them a little bit of the basic.
The basics, yeah. Even David has forgotten.
No, David hasn't forgotten.
Yeah.
No, he hasn't.
Okay,
Uh,
then David
well,
comes in the class.
that's fine. That's why we're here. We'll learn all of that.
Thank you.
No problem. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get this project done. Whether you guys like it or not. So all right. So I have my 33 images for Nigerian and gonna train our model. Now everybody understands how you're able to okay, let's test our model here real quick. Okay. When you're doing these things, you have to always factor in, testing and training. So yeah, it's very important that you take time to test everything that you do. Because once you put it out there and users are using it, it's going to be hard for you to, it's going to cost a lot of money, more money to try to fix it than, cost trying to test it in the beginning. So testing is very important. Okay. All right. So we have our model, we tested it. We're going to upload our model. Everybody knows how to get to this point, right? if I'm moving too fast, please let me know. Okay, so we have a shareable link. This is what we're looking for. We're gonna copy the link, and then we'll go to Scribe. All right. So this is Scratch. All right. So I guess we have to do a quick tutorial. Okay, so
One of the things, how did they get here?
oh, did I share the link here? Well, I mean you can. So let's do this. You can. I think you can Google it. Hold on. Yeah, you can Google it, and it'll be the first one. So Scratch. So you know how we learned about algorithm, coding. So Scratch is a basic platform, a coding platform for kids to, you know, if you are starting to code and you want to understand how the dynamics of coding, and build your own projects, your own basic projects. Scratch is a good platform for you to start using it. It has a lot of different oh, okay, Clifford. Okay, so it has a lot of different features, you know, for building a project. Now, one of the things that we actually overlooked and skipped is our project management. It's very, very important that when we start any project, we have to be able to put together a project management document and plan that, you know, we are from here, we go here, from here, we go here. If we don't do that, we'll be all over the place like what we are. Okay, if we are not able to plan our projects like the way that we want it, you know, we need people like, you know, project managers to be able to think and figure out how long every you know, every what do you call it, project is going to last. Okay, so you divide a project into every different pieces, and someone is going to design each level of project, how it's going to last. Okay, so you initiate the project. Okay, you plan the project, you execute the project, you monitor how the execution is going, you know, with the testing and everything, then you launch your project. Okay, so each level, someone is going to design it. And so right now we are in the execution of our project. Okay, we started, we planned a project. This is how it's gonna go, and we did a project. You know, we usually have a kickoff meeting, initial kickoff meeting that will kick the project off, and then we go into the planning and execution. Okay, so Scratch is a platform for different features, you know, that you can use to create your coding. You know, if you want to code something, you can use Scratch to start creating. So I don't know if Tony, if I'm being basic enough, or do I need to go a little bit more deeper
Yeah,
into Scratch?
like how for them to move from here to the working place, and how for them to be moving the boxes around, the if statement, then when statement, the then statement.
Okay. Let's do this here. So you go to create a project. Okay, whenever you are starting a project, whenever you go to, so the first thing is you search for Scratch. It's the first one. I'll let me copy this link so I can share. Okay, all right, Letitia has already shared it. All right, so then you go to create, okay? We're gonna create our projects. Okay. You know, it'll show you.
With Scratch, you can make your own stories, games, and animations. Let's start by grabbing a move block. We can click the block to run it. There are many other blocks to choose from. Check out the different categories. Let's go to the sound category and grab a play sound until done block. I'll snap this onto our move block. When do we want these code blocks to run? Add an event block on top to start the code. I'll add the when green flag clicked block. You can easily reorder or delete these blocks at any time. Add as many characters as you want to your project and code each one. Check out the tutorials page for ideas and inspiration.
Okay, so that was a quick tutorial. And so basically, you have your different block, different section of the block coding. Okay, these are the codes, and each code has a different way, different blocks. Okay, so you have the motion blocks. Okay, and you have if something happens, then this, you know, the look, say do this. Okay, if this happens, do this, and that's what algorithm is all about. It's called the if statements. Okay, if this happens, then do this. Okay, so basically you are training your computer to respond to a command. Okay, last time we told you about AI is all about we giving the computer commands. Okay, so after we're able to copy our teachable link that has trained our images. Okay, we want when someone goes on the website, when they give a command, now the command is already programmed in the system. Okay, so when you have an Alexa and you say, Alexa, what's today's weather? Okay, Alexa has been programmed in the command that if anybody asks you a prompt, what is this? Say this. Okay, and this is what this is the algorithm. Okay, if this happens, do this. So there are different commands that we are going to program into our system, okay, to do what we want our users to do. Okay, do anybody understand that, the command? Okay, so these are all the different, I mean, in reality, they are more than this, but you know, to start, these are, you know, different blocks for the commands that we are going to give. Okay, does anybody have any question?
Please, if you have any question, come off mute and let's help out before we think that we all understand. Come off mute, you can share your screen so that we will know that we all understand what we are doing.
Okay, so I want to say it again. When we began, we said AI, we are the one, humans are the one operating AI. We give all the commands, and we let AI do what we want them to. We want the AI application or system to do. Okay, and part of it is called algorithm, and it's the if statement, if else statement. Okay, so this is where we are. We have already trained our model. We cleaned our data, we collected our data, we labeled it, and we trained our model to identify these birds, and now we need to, we need to program it so that it will give a command, it will give a prompt, in ChatGPT, you give a prompt, show me this, show me that. We'll go over that real quick. So this is our part of the engine that we are going to build. Okay. Everybody understand? This is the engine. This is where we create our commands. Okay. It's called coding. Okay. There are different ways you can customize it. You can even add your own sound. Instead of us having say hello or say this, someone can actually say, voiceover. Maybe one of our projects we have someone be, someone in the class be a voiceover and say it and say, okay, when you take the picture and it will say, hey, this is whoever from EBI, and thank you for using our application. You have selected a Ghana bird, something something that will personalize EBI's projects. Okay. All right. So we can customize all those. So these are the blocks. These in reality, coders will write the code, right? But right now they are giving us blocks to be able to write the code. So we'll take advantage of it. The first thing we need to do is change our background. We want to change our background. Maybe we use a sky since it's gonna be birds. Okay, and we'll change our we want to change our image here too. Okay, let's use a bird. Okay, just to fit in. Okay. All right. Let's customize our birds. Let's take this out. Let's take the branch out. Okay. We want to customize it. I mean, we can do a lot of things to it. When you have time, you can do all that. All right. So now we're about to start coding. Okay. We've changed our background. We have our animation image. Now, so you go down here. Okay. We want to add an extension. Okay. We want to add our teachable machine extension. So we're gonna go down here. It has a lot of different extensions. Okay. And where is our teachable link extension? I'm able to find it here. I can't find it. Oh. Okay, I might have chosen the wrong. Apologize. Hold on. Mr. Tony, you know how to get to the AI block, AI projects?
Can you come again, please?
I'm trying to find the AI project, how to get there.
From the Google Class, Google's
From
Drive.
Scratch. So Scratch has
Oh.
different projects. We want to use the AI projects.
Okay.
Go.
All right, hold on. That's fine.
No, with the teachable, I saw it, teachable.
All right, so let's do this. PRG AI blocks. Okay, we're gonna start all over again here. I'm sorry. Okay. All right, let me get a new link to the team.
Okay, Ben, you got it? Okay.
Yeah. Let me get your new link.
Think that if we get to a certain stage, people have to share their screen.
All right, so let's everything applies. Everything that I said applies. It's just that the link that we provided in the beginning was different. Okay, so everything applies. Okay, so the link that I just gave you, once you click on it, you should have something like this. Okay, you will still have your codes and your blocks, everything that we went over. You should have everything like that. You're gonna have your background, your image and everything. So use that link. Okay, we're gonna customize our new image. I'm gonna do a sky again.
It changes now. You realize that
But now for also.
Arian has been training it. I've been
Okay.
working with this
We're gonna customize. Take that out. Everything is the same. Okay, customize it. All right. So you go here to the extension and this teachable machine. So I guess the Scratch that we're using was not AI ready. So this one has all these AI different extensions included. Okay. And this is teachable machine. This is what we want. Okay. So does everybody understand to this page, this stage? Does everybody understand? I'm sorry for the link confusion, okay? Does everybody understand where we are right now?
What do you click for to get to the teachable machine block?
Okay, so down here, at the bottom here, okay, so I do have when you go to the class, say using teachable machines with Scratch. This one will teach you how to do all that, okay? There's a video here. So down at the bottom left, it says add extension. And you have all these AI extensions, body sensor, facial recognition, all these things are AI ready. Okay, but we want to use the teachable machine extension. Okay, so you click on it and you should have all these teachable machine blocks, all these blocks. Now you can also save a block, if you are frequently using a block, you can make it a favorite and make a block. it's gonna be your blocks. So we are using our teachable machine blocks. Okay, so everybody understands?
David understood, yeah.
Okay, anybody want to share their screen to show that you are where Mr. Ben is? Anybody want to share their screen to show? Okay, just 1 second, just share so that we know you got it. That's all. Yeah, where he is, where we are all are. We want to make sure we are on the same page.
We don't want to see the mirror.
No cut, nothing. Exactly what you see on your screen now. Share that. Yes, please.
When Madam Adasa she said.
Oh, Mr. Ben, can you stop sharing so
Okay.
you can?
All right.
Okay, now I
What?
you can share your screen now. Okay, Aria, you don't have it. End it.
You don't have.
You don't have it. I asked you what you see on the screen. Do you have the same thing? What he's been showing? If you have it, show. If you don't have it, please make sure you get your screen to that place.
So which means that we weren't following.
Yeah.
Adasa,
Hadassah, share your screen, please. Who else want to share their screen to show us? Let me share my screen to share what my screen look like right now.
it is
Yes.
nothing you're paying.
This is what my screen looks like. Can you see? My bird doesn't even have the leaf anymore. So I've been able to change my background. As you can tell, I just came here and selected my blue sky, and I added my spirit or sprite. And before it says choose, I just search for birds or bird, and this is what it gave me. And as you can tell right now, I have 2 of them. So I'm gonna delete the first one to show you. It was like this, right? I click on costumes over here at the tab, and I was able to delete, just like Mr. Ben did. He deleted the leaf and stuff, and it became just the bird. And I went back over here, and you can see. So if you have it this way, share your screen. I'm gonna start sharing.
Okay, Ethan.
Yeah, Ethan, go ahead.
Ethan, go ahead. Adasa, get ready. Okay.
Awesome, thank you.
Naima,
Naima, Adasa, can you hear us? Okay, Julie, you ready to share yours?
Yeah.
Okay,
share your screen.
Julie, that's not it. Change the background right now. Scroll down. Click on the background. And select the blue sky. That's it. Now go to costume on the left. You see costume up there? Click on that. Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's it. You got it.
Okay,
Good job.
Next,
Yeah,
Adasa.
before you go, go back to code.
Go back to code.
And at the bottom left, click and add your extension. Yeah.
Then the
Oh, okay. You don't have the AI, right? No. Okay, so you are not. I provided a new link for the AI Scratch. So go to the
for the AI scratch. So go to that and take that one
At the chat.
in the chat.
go to the chat.
You see what we are saying?
Yeah, Ben.
You said, do you understand? Yes, yes. As soon as you say muchacha, oh, this is what we are saying.
Okay.
Nobody
Okay.
said anything. Then next week, okay, we didn't get it.
Okay, so Julie, just like you did the first time, just do that. Good job. So background, And
David,
Okay, so that one has teachable machine. That's good. All right.
so now click
everybody
on the
please-
mouse. There's change your sprite. Choose
mhm,
and type bird.
bird.
Search for bird. Okay, it's right there, the dog. You see it. It's up.
And this is moving so fast.
And then delete the first one. Awesome. Now go to costume.
Okay, good.
Mhm.
Adasa, are you ready?
No, there's
Then
one left.
teachable, yeah, you see teachable machine. Good,
Good job.
good job. So right now you are where you're supposed to be. Adasa, are you ready?
Why are you showing your face? You silly girl.
Huh?
Okay, stop sharing your screen, Joey.
Okay, if Adasa is not ready. David.
David, share your screen. You want to see where you are. Share. Oh, boy.
David is about to share. Naima, get ready. And if Adasa can hear us.
Edra, Agona, do you need help? Somebody needs the code, the link to Scratch can be found in the Zoom chat. If you don't have it, let me know. I can share it, send it again.
David.
Share your screen.
Madam, please, the network was unstable, so now when we are connecting.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey.
Hey.
You have customized your bird, pound.
Go to your code. Let's see what you have at your code. Okay, now click on the folder. No.
Down, yeah.
And then, okay, you also didn't pay attention.
Okay, go back
Go back.
and use the link that is in there.
No. Go to Zoom.
Yeah, go to Zoom.
Go to Zoom. Check Zoom chat. The link is there. Do you see it?
Copy and paste again.
No, click on the link. It will take you.
David don't have it. Is David sharing? So Naima, get ready. As soon as David is done, it's your turn. And after Naima, yeah, we are trying to help. So if you share your screen, that is when we all can help. I don't know if Adasa still here. Okay, Naima. Oh, we don't see your full screen. Okay. Oh, okay, there's Naima, right? Okay, good. Naima, you are at the right place. Okay, you can stop sharing.
David is sharing now.
Yeah, David is sharing, then. Okay,
I don't think whoever is sharing, okay.
that is David.
No, David, you change your sprite or whatever first.
You know how to do it. Okay. And choose that the bird. Oh, I see what they did. Hey, what happened to your bird?
Okay, delete one.
Delete one. Then go to costume. And we don't need the leave of life. No,
Just delete. Okay.
And come to code. See code up.
Click code.
And go all the way down.
The,
Yes. Then
click on
bird.
teachable. That's
Thank
it.
you, David.
Good job.
Next.
Stop sharing your screen now. Anybody from Ghana want to share? Aguna, Frante, anybody that do you guys understand? The video, I'm gonna post it on Google Classroom. Please use this week to go over this. We don't want you to miss all that we've been talking about. So kindly,
Okay, so we are, where are you going? Is it the seat? You can bring your backpack. So, yeah, Mr. Ben, it look like, yeah, you can continue now.
Okay. All right,
Thank you,
good
Ben.
job,
Thank you.
everyone. All right, let me share my screen. Okay. All right, so this is where we are. We have our teachable machine blocks. These are the blocks that we're gonna use. All right, so let's go back to our teachable machine and copy our shareable link, okay? We'll come back to our Scratch, okay? So what we want to do is, first of all, go to event, okay? What we want to do is when someone clicks go, so we've started coding, right? We've started coding. When they click this, okay, then our teachable machine will respond with the code that we're going to put in here. Okay. All right. You guys understand the first code, we have written our first code. Okay. When
So
you click
where-
this,
Can you repeat where they got the code from, please?
okay, go to your teachable machine. Remember, don't forget to add the when you're done with training, okay, you should be able to upload the model, and it will give you a searchable link. Okay. Do you wanna see it again? You go to Explorer. Oh, okay, I did. Let's train it again. Okay. You go to Explorer, export your model, and it'll upload your link. Okay, give it some time to upload it. Even though we already have the link, we're doing it again, okay? So basically what it's doing is, let's say if we added more images, it would have updated the link with the images that we have. And you click copy. Okay, your shareable link, you click copy, then you go to your Scratch. And our first code was event. Event is when something happened. Okay, so remember that our algorithm is if else. When this happened, then this, or else. Okay, so when we started our code, well, first of all, let's name our projects. Okay, that's very important. We don't want well, what name should we give it to our project? Ghana Nigerian Birds.
Yeah, you can do Ghana Nigeria version. Ghana.
Okay. All right, Ghana Nigerian Birds.
No, sorry.
All right. Yeah, it's very important that you always label. It's when you are coding, when you're doing AI, make sure you know you label your projects, you label all your items, because if you don't, it's gonna be all over the place. You're not gonna know where it is. So it's very important. So our first code is when we click, then our model, when we click, it will display our model. Okay. All right. So this is the model we just pasted into the model. Okay. The next is, what is it going to say? Actually, hold on. The next one is, hold on. When the model detects okay. So remember our classifications, right? We label the Ghana birds and Nigerian birds. So once we put in the code now knows that our classifications are going to display. Okay? So that's the reason why it's very important to label. Okay? So now the model is displaying the classifications that we put in there. Everybody understands? Okay. So now we put in our link, and it automatically knows the classification that we put into our teachable machines. Okay. So what we are trying to do right now, it says when someone identifies Ghana birds, okay, when the model detects Ghana birds, what is it going to do? Okay, so that's where we come back to our blocks. What is it going to do? What we want it to do is say Ghana bird. Okay. Okay, when the model detects Ghana birds, we can literally say anything. Okay. All right. we can let it say anything. We can also let it say, what else, Letitia, what else did we have in the, in the label?
The label had is it food, right? The food that they eat.
Okay. I have to. If someone can just remind me real quick. I should have been prepared for that. Okay, so it says the name, we have the name of the bird and the diet. All right. So let's say, hi, I am a bird from Ghana. Oh. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can, but you stop sharing your screen.
Yes, sir.
Somebody have their hands up.
Yeah, if you have your hands up, go ahead.
Any question? Okay. Good, good.
Anybody has their hands up, go ahead.
No.
No questions? Anyone want to share their screen on where we are?
They will share their screen.
Yeah.
So Naima, share your screen.
Well, am I?
Okay.
Okay, so everybody can see my screen now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to lift it up a little.
Let me stop sharing. Sorry.
Oh, Adasa said this. What does it mean?
Thumbs up, he's good, she's good.
She's good. Okay. No. No, that. She hasn't shared the screen.
Well, she's telling you she's good, she's ready.
Okay. So, so we want somebody to share their screen to see where they are. Naima, are you ready? Okay. Naima is not ready.
If you are working on it, you can share your screen and show what you are doing. And if you are missing anything, then we can help you. So you don't have to be ready. If you are working on it and you don't mind, share the screen and then we can help you Who is this?
David, yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, so Ghana, the class.
Okay, Ben. No, I'm asking Uncle Ben, what do you do next?
So, there has to be one more thing before the class.
Do you have the right link?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't think so.
What link?
Okay, go back to your teachable machine.
Yeah, go back there. Go back to your digital machine.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, so export, go to the export the model, export model, yeah. Then upload right there. So this is the link. Okay, so copy that, you see the link, copy that link, copy,
no,
no, right here,
go.
this is right here. Yeah, so press that one. You did, then go to your, the scratch right there, I think it's this, right? Where's your scratch?
Share your entire screen, so you don't have to be moving left and right.
Where is it at?
His computer too is not.
Maybe we'll get you another computer, don't worry. Huh? Okay, so that's what you put here. Okay. So Ben, he has the correct link now. So when he clicks the
All right.
model, no, he
So-
has to come here and do the GAN. So,
Yeah, so click on the class.
yeah,
So I think you labeled the class 1 and class 2. That's why it's detecting class 1 and class 2. So I told you guys you got to be careful in labeling, or you're not gonna get the right results.
oh, so, okay, David, come back to your teachable machine. Go to your teachable machine. So he didn't label it Ghana and Nigeria. What did it?
It says Ghana and Nigeria.
Yeah, it says Ghana and Nigeria there.
All right. Well, okay. Take the one the model detects out and bring it back in again.
Take it out, take this one out. Then bring it back. this, right? Yeah. Then see. Yep, it's still saying class one, class two.
Sure. I don't see where the teachable machine. Can I see that page? If not, what we're gonna do is just delete everything and start all over again. Okay, let's see your classification. Click out of this one. I want to see at the back of your classification. So click out. Just click outside it.
Yeah, clicking outside, but it's not, the works now.
It should be able to cancel. There on the top right corner, there's a cancel there.
You can't even see it.
Yeah, I don't know your screen. I think it's so big. I don't know why. Yeah, enlarge it and let's see. Yeah, because on the top right corner, there has to be. Is there any way that you can scale it down?
Somewhere here, but you can't see it. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Click out. See, it says class one and class
you
two.
see-
It doesn't say I.
You see, it says class one, class two.
So what grade is that? Ghana or what?
Now, when you're done, you have to upload it again so it can
So
detect
guys,
and change it.
If you don't follow the instruction, it is what happens. And I know David have done this over and over, so I guess.
Yeah, so after you have to do the export, train them, then do the export again. Then yeah. So we all understand, right? If you miss a step, you have missed the whole show. Then put it in there. Then take this out and bring it back. Let's see. It's going to change its mind. Oh. Refresh it.
Great.
Yeah. Me, I like what we are doing now. Because if it has happened to David, it has happened to us. Here, event. So when I click on the flag, then come to teachable. When the model detect.
Then we just.
It's still showing the class.
Okay, then something is wrong somewhere because.
Okay, so delete everything and
Yeah.
let's. All right, so Cleo workspace,
Yeah.
delete everything.
Somebody else can share while we figure this.
So Naima. Ethan, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ethan, are you ready to share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
share your screen. Hey. So, so you said when you detected, say Ghana, right? Then when the mother detects Ghana, say, they detect Nigeria, say, okay. So then you see,
Okay, yeah, this is it. So obviously, yeah, you have to also enable your camera, so that's good. So basically, when we show the camera a Ghana bird, it's gonna say, "Hi, I am a Ghana bird," and whatever that we put in there. Oh, hi, this is a Nigerian bird. So yeah, this is good start. Um,
okay, stop
Okay.
it and do it again.
Yep, this I guess
Okay, then do it. Okay. Okay, so this is good, right?
mhm. Yeah.
I'm, Ariane, do you have it up? I have the same exact clothes. Is David ready?
We still working on his stuff. To see if anybody in Ghana ready?
Hey, Clifford, are you ready? Clifford. Anybody in Nigeria? Not to Judy, I know that we are here. So we are waiting on the teacher to work on that David laptop. I think David needs.
So the way that the code is, so we will do the same. We will do the same for Nigeria. So now we have identified Ghana, and we'll put in our prompt. Hi, this is Ghana. I'm a bird from Ghana. Well, whatever that we want to be creative about it. Okay. Then we'll do the same for Nigeria.
Yeah. So, okay. So the same setup, if we can somebody take a screenshot, right? Then let's share how, Ethan, bring your screenshot. Bring yours up.
You wanna clean out and start from what you did, okay? Yeah. Let him share his screen and show
Yeah.
how he
share-
got there.
Yeah, share your screen, clean everything up, and let us show, if anybody can take a screenshot of it, so that you can follow it at home.
So that I can play.
Yeah, so Ethan is ready.
Alright. I have the same exact code as Ethan did, but mine didn't work. Now it's working. Why is it working now?
No, because we said some,
I had the same exact code as Ethan did.
oh,
But you have the same exact. Focus on your stuff.
I Ethan.
so, okay. So Ethan, you have to come off mute and speak.
So first, you have to change this, right?
Yeah, what's not working?
And then you change the background.
Got it, like that.
You delete the first part,
You buy me the right bra.
and then you can remove the leaf by deleting it. And then you add the extension teachable machine.
The video, you have to be a video.
And you do
You have to,
the
the guy has to
code.
come and see you dancing and put it, like the way that men and women will show up.
You on video. You on video.
Yeah. So.
You do this, and then you put the URL of the machine there. And then you do turn video on. And then you do the different. And then you use say. And then you switch this.
He's talking to the roadblock in the machine. Yeah, but we can't hear anything.
And then this is how it works. Basically, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ethan. Yeah. So so you guys have an idea what we are trying to do, okay? So after when we're done with everything, we'll copy the link and we'll put it on our website, and it will show us exactly what, the way that Ethan was demonstrating. If you show a bird or from Ghana, it will say, hey, I'm a bird from Ghana. I eat this food. Or maybe we can even add a voiceover to say what we wanted to say. Okay. So we can be very creative about it. You can use a lot of things. So this is the reason why when you are when you're starting a project, you plan all these things. What are you gonna say? How you want it to look like? So that when we get there, you don't have to be confused about what you want to, the inputs. Okay. So we'll list everything that we wanted to say, customize the way that we want our bird to look like. Everything has to be documented. So when we get here, all we have to do is just input in the information that we started from the beginning, initial project. So it's very important. Today we learned that we need to definitely pay attention to labeling, okay, and the titles of our projects and everything. Okay, so I think this, we should be able to continue next week. Next week when we come back, we're gonna finish our labeling and our coding, and then we'll start building our web. It's not really going to build our website, but just create a quick website so we can put it out there, so then people can start using. You can share with your friends and say, hey, this is what I built. Okay. All right. How excited is everyone? It looks good. Are you guys comfortable with the project so far? Because you picked it. We could have done plants, and you guys said you want the bird. So
Yeah.
Are you happy with your project? Okay.
Yeah, Hadassah said she's good.
Okay.
The good thing is there's the YouTube video recording.
Mhm.
So whenever you are in doubt, go back to our YouTube page and review all that stuff that has been done. I want to put it out there. We're going to do a Facebook Live to share with our community what we have been working on. And so I want to propose, or if anyone wants to join us, we need 2 students to join us. If anybody want to join us on Zoom, it will be a Facebook Live, but we will record it on Zoom and stuff. And so your job as a student on joining the Facebook Live will be to document, to start from uploading start from Teachable to Scratch to the end of the lesson. And so if anybody think about it, let me know. But the first two people, I would love one person from Ghana and one person from US. So let me know so that we're gonna set up a date and I'll let you guys know. But one person from Ghana. Yeah. So Hadassah, we can have 3 students. So Hadassah can also join because Hadassah is in South Carolina. But at the end of the day, it's all US students. So with that being said, think about it. We don't want to force you, but it would be great to share with people what Mr. Ben has poured into you, right? We want people to know what EBI is also doing and how we are trying to get you guys ready for whatever, get you guys ready with what is going on in our world or in the talks of AI. And yesterday somebody posted on social media somewhere that they are AI consultants and they are making some crazy money just being an AI consultant. So there is plenty of stuff. And Ben, I think the last week or so that we finish, we're gonna do the AI jobs, titles and stuff, so that they will have an idea of the jobs that are out there. I'm gonna do the slideshow and I'll share with you, okay, Ben? So that you don't stress on that one. And if you have any professionals in the field that you want to invite, let us know too, please.
Okay, I'll reach out to people. And so the Teachable Machine and Scratch, I have a video I just posted. So if you guys have any, you want to learn more about it, just learn how to collaborate Teachable Machine and Scratch. It's very important that you're able to collaborate your model and your algorithm. It's gonna go hand in hand. Okay, your model and your algorithm. This is how you're able to create your application, and your application responds to all the commands and the prompts. Okay, so I put the link there. If you need some course refresh, someone, you can also be able to look through it. So, but you guys are doing great. There's so much potential out there when it comes to AI and the applications, and it looks like some of you guys have already ahead of time, and you are designing your models and building something unique. So it doesn't end here. You can come up if you have a project in mind and you want the class to undertake. You can always reach out to me so we can work on a special project that you have. So because this is very important, we need to. It's not just for the class, but for the community that we are. We need to be able to learn how to stay ahead of the technologies that are coming. It is very, very important that we're able to build our own applications that can serve us. Okay, so this is not just it's a reform class that we something that we need in our community. So take it serious. It's going to change a lot of things in your life. So I
think, Ben, sorry, this the stuff this is their next assignment. They will have to submit their Scratch, to show that they got it. And then they will submit a project that they think in their community they can do with a Teachable Machine or AI, that they think they can help solve an AI. And then from there, we can vote as a community for a project in Ghana and a project in the US for them to work on it independently. I think that would be great so that they will understand why AI is important and what are the things that they can solve or help solve in their community by using data science or the AI system. What do you think?
No, that's good. Yeah, it's all about solving a problem in your community. That's just what AI is for. Okay, so especially think about medicine, education, the sectors that we talked about. Okay, how can you use AI to solve problems in the medical field, in education, and even in the banking system. It's finance. It's very important that we're able to use AI to detect fraud and be able to keep our community safe. Okay. So no, I'm really excited. Yeah, the more ideas that you guys come up with, I'm always available to help. Anything that I can do, and if there is any seminars or any events out there that you can take advantage of, I'll share with the class, so you can also learn the real world applications of AI. Okay. All right. Looking forward to the next class. You guys are doing a great job, great progress. Keep it up, okay? All right.
Thank you, Ben. So,
Thank you.
I send you a WhatsApp that we need 2 more weeks of you, please. So don't
No
think that you are
problem.
done with us.
No, he's not done. He need like another big part.
I'm not done. I'm like I said,
Oh,
if there's anything
he's
that
not done.
Yeah. We
if,
have to.
if
We
there's
haven't even built our website.
I know, huh? I know,
Yeah.
but it's gonna be really. I think the the priority is for us to learn the components and what is AI and application. I think it's very important. I'm really pleased with the fact that you guys are able to clean up your data, build your data and clean, because that's very important. People don't talk much about the data side of it, because that's what is going to give you your end product. Okay, building
The
the model,
genesis of it.
yeah. So it's very important to do that. So that we've done the big part. Right now we are just trying to clean up and format and show how we want to look like and all that. Okay. So I'm always available. If you have a project in mind that you want to have a one-on-one section, with me, then I can, advise you and help you. Yeah, I'm always here. All right. Take care, class. Proud of you guys. Be good. Okay. Make sure
Have
that
a great week.
Thank you.
yeah, we are doing this for AI for good. Okay.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with them from here to help the Ghana team to catch up before we release them. Okay, Naima. Oh, let me. Naima, you good?
Yeah, can I just share my screen to make
Yes,
sure?
please.
So is this like what we got to? Okay.
Good. So when you click run, what happened?
Nothing happens when
No,
I click.
bring the down one.
Oh wait, this is something else. Do you see something different?
No, she has to separate. Oh, she has to separate it.
Naima, share your screen again.
Okay. So lift the. So take Ghana. This, you see this two, lift it up a little. Lift those two up. When I see, yeah, let it go up. So separate them. Yeah, and just click start again, click go. No,
Nothing happens.
no, click on the right side.
Oh.
You see the blue? No. Oh, on the right side,
The green or blue?
the green.
The technical
No, not that side.
The
Where
flag.
bird is.
Click on the flag.
flag. It still does the same thing.
Okay, click stop.
Click stop. Then the teachable is right. The teachable is right?
Yeah, it is, because he has the Ghana bird in it.
Yeah. So when I click this, go turn this on. When you detect Ghana, say Ghana.
Her video is not on.
Yeah.
I have to turn my video on.
Turn your video on.
Yeah, Ghana.
It's not turning it
I think
on.
there's something blocking.
Uh.
Ethan,
Yeah.
that's where your skills come in.
Yeah, Ethan is really good at these kind of stuff. First try. First try.
Okay, allow
He's
teachable.
gonna call it first try.
It says it's allowed already.
Okay, let's go back
Go
again.
back. Go back to the teachable. Okay, click Ethan. What do you see?
He's not wrong.
No, because it's not working. How do we fix it?
Oh, wait, I can help you with this.
Yeah, okay.
I'm also a coding master.
Okay, come. Because I think that this is one of the issues.
The video, right?
He said,
Well, the first thing you should do is separate use model.
with the video.
Have you separated use model? Wait, whose is it?
This is Naima.
So you see, turn on the video down a little, separate it.
No, that's fine. I'm just saying that you should separate use model first and then click on it separately. Just make sure it's registered. Wait, never mind, it's registered.
Yeah.
Something else you could try, maybe your camera's not allowed.
That is one of the things that.
Yeah.
The camera is not allowed, right?
The camera has to be allowed.
To go to the next one.
It won't let me allow it.
Oh, it says it needs to be reload.
Yeah, you have to reload it, so start.
I have to reload it.
Have you saved it? Make sure you saved
Save
it.
it. And
This is on my account, so it would save.
Reload.
Oh, wait, never.
You can reload again.
yeah, I had the same problem, so.
Reload
It's
it.
annoying, but. Now try to do the same thing again.
Okay, so let's start all over.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
But that's the beauty of it. You get to learn.
That is it.
Yeah.
The beauty of
Okay.
that is to restart everything over again because of one simple mistake.
So Julie had a tablet here.
It's okay.
That's a weird looking candle.
It's okay.
It's a weird looking candle.
What kind of candle? What kind of? Is it vanilla or raspberry candle?
No, it's clearly a lemon candle. Anyways.
I like the background.
Now her video is working now.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to do it all
You have to copy it again.
You have to
Once
go
you
back.
paste the model, then you'll be able to click on it so that that question mark goes to a check mark.
Yo, save
Once it
Jenny.
goes into a check mark, then you can start to truly work. Click. Good. Go to and then. Could you separate use model? I think you just click the. For the master. If I'm not wrong, it should start working, so. First. That'd be fine. I think. I'm just trying to do that. Which one? Sure. Second try. Second try. Second try. Second try. First round. Second try. Speed run. Speed run. Speed run.
I finish.
Good. Is it working now? When you press the run, does it?
This goes on for a short amount of time.
Okay, Ethan and Ariane.
Yeah.
Why is it not running with for her?
Did you turn on the camera?
The camera is on, right?
Yeah, the camera's on.
Probably like. The reason that it might not be working is right now your camera's covered.
Yeah, so if your camera is covered, it's not going to work. It needs to get an image.
Oh.
Let's try it.
Okay, anybody want to share their screen so Naima can see? Yeah, Naima, if you don't feel like sharing your video, it's okay, okay?
Yeah, you don't have to share your.
Yeah.
And then it would work.
Yeah, test it out, and then when you are comfortable, you can share your screen.
First one.
My screen is not turning on for some reason.
Okay. It's okay. I wish you were here, that would have helped you, but hopefully next week we can help you to catch up, okay? Anybody else? Anyone in Ghana? Oh, you guys want to go back and review later?
Yes, because we missed the beginning, we are trying to go over. So we could
Okay.
have,
Okay. I guess we are going to end the session so that, Debbie, you want to share your screen? Okay.
Okay.
Clifford, you have something to say? Okay. So we're gonna end the session today so that everyone can take their time. I'm gonna put an assignment on, and so that you will be able to share your progress. People have not been submitting their assignment. Please try and submit your assignment, because this is how we are able to determine whether you get it or not. Am I making sense? So please submit your assignments. If you haven't, all the assignment that we've been given for AI, submit them, please, so that we can grade it and see where you stand. Am I clear? Okay, so that's it for the day. Your assignments
That's
will
what
help us to know where you are, especially for Team Ghana. And if you have any question, please share with us or ask.
Where's the assignment? I can't find it.
In the Google Classroom?
Yeah, the one that shows first, I already did it.
Okay, I'm working on the new one I'm about to add.
Oh,
So
okay.
it has not been posted yet. And then the new one I'm about to post is about, if you finish your Scratch, share your screen. And as I said, take a screenshot of your Scratch. You know what? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys record your screen on what you are doing. And then when you finish, you submit it. So we will see what you are doing, not just to give us, what is it called? Screenshot. And then from there, your requirements, the next question will be, what projects or what problem do you see in your community that you think we can use AI to solve? Okay. So Team Ghana, don't copy somebody's idea. Make sure it is your own creative one. If it's something that you think it was yours and somebody's using it, that's fine. But be creative. There's a lot of issues in our community. And so find something that you think you and the team can use AI to resolve. Okay. Okay. So have a great Saturday and wish you all the best tomorrow and the rest of the week. We will continue next week. And our last class for this, what's it called? For this session will be the last day of May, okay? And then we will take a break and resume June 22nd. Are we good? So May 25th will be our last class for the spring session. And then we will take a break. And then June 22nd, then we will resume our summer session. Are we good?
Yes, we are very good.
Okay. So this way, some of our teachers can take a little bit rest and get some momentum. And then also, there's going to be end of school year for Team USA. So just give them a time to wrap up school stuff. And then we will resume June 22nd. Okay. If no questions or comments, that's it for the day. Okay, bye, guys. And leaders in Nigeria and France, if you can sometimes send us pictures of what you guys are doing so that we will see that there's, because we don't have any data on how things are going on your end. Okay.